Justin solo performance of Moonlight on NCAA PH 100. Mga madam sir, eto no, nagsolo ang ating bunso na si Justin. Nagsolo no. So nagsolo siya no ng performance, 'di ba? Dito nga po sa NCAA. Mga madam sir, tara, samahan niyo ako rito no. So Justin bunso may solong performance. So wala pa ako nakikitang performance ni Justin na solo. So meron siyang kanta no na solo, pero wala akong performance pang napapanood. So first time ko to. Okay, yan. So mga madam sir, tara, samahan niyo po ako rito, panoorin po natin to. Let's go, ipinagad natin to. Angas, ang pogi. Editing Yan yung flooring Tignan mo yung floor ng ano no, napagkaangas no, yung effects, di ba? Ang angas naman. No? Ba? Pogi Sabi dyan. When your freeze is next to mine and we don't show it, but we're thinking of the time, so put it in motion. My desire's taking over my emotions. So walang ka-backup mga madam sir, talagang sinolo. Sumasayaw tapos kumakanta ng solo. Aba naman Justin. My desire's taking over my emotions. My emotions. Yes. Want you in every way. So meron pala siyang backup dancer. Matic W3. Want you in every way. Want you to scream my name with my hands around your waist. Dito, no? So ito mga madam sir, throwback pa rin to no? So in-upload po kasi etong performance si Justin na to ng September 8, 2024. So kaka 1 year nga lang po niya, September 9 today no. So pag-record ko nito, so isang araw pa lang nakakalipas nung 1 year bago siya kahapon no. Okay? So ito no, September throwback. 1 year po no. 1 year ago. So let's go, tuloy natin to. Yeah, like doing what we do in the moonlight. I've been loving you, baby, all night. Baby, you and me are shadows on the ceiling. That's my favorite feeling. Yeah, like doing what we do in the moonlight. I've been loving you, baby, all night. Ganda ng galaw niya ron yung tuhod, di ba? Solid yun. In the moonlight. Baby, you and me are shadows on the ceiling. That's my favorite feeling. Yeah, like doing what we do in the moonlight. Naangas talaga ako sa effects nito, no? Nung pinakang venue na to, no? Yung flooring talagang makita mo, no? Yung effects niya talaga, no? Yung lighting. Yung light. Doing what we do in the moonlight. Smooth na smooth yung performance mga madam sir, mga repa. No, you don't wanna give me any reasons. Show me what to do or keep a secret. We can hide the feelings in between us. So wala akong idea ba't solo si Justin dito, no? So hindi ko alam kung may mga performance din ba yung apat dito na nag-solo rin sila. So I don't know. So parang may napanood din kasi ako na na nag-perform din si Ken. Parang ganito rin niya. I think dito rin yata yun. Yung nag-perform si Ken ng solo niya. Basketball, opening ng basketball din yun, pero hindi ko sure kung dito yun. Anyway, tuloy. We can hide the feelings in between us. Just you and me, I'll never leave. Want you in every way. Want you to scream my name with my hands around your waist. Yeah, like doing what we do in the moonlight. I've been loving you, baby. Ay, smoke machine. Solid, no? Mall of Asia Arena. Okay, so Mall of Asia Arena pala to, mga madam sir, mga repa.
Baby, you and me are shadows on the street, and that's my favorite feeling. Yeah, la la la. Doing what we do in the moonlight. I've been loving you, baby, all night. Baby, you and me are shadows on the street, and that's my favorite feeling. Yeah, la 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 la. Doing what we do in the moonlight.
Ang dami. W3 ba lahat yan? Yun, so shoutout nga pala sa nag-request nito. So, hindi ko na maalala kung sino, pero I think kinoment to sa comment section ng latest upload ko, no? Tapos na link lang to. So, shoutout sa'yo sa nag-request nito. Thank you so much, no? At na-upload ko yan dahil sa'yo. Solid, Justin. Pogi, oh. Okay yan, so mga madam sir, no, Justin solo performance of Moonlight on NCAAPH 100. Like natin, subscribe natin, 18 yung pinaka-uploader nito. Okay, yun. So, ang angas, ang pogi, ang smooth, no, ng galaw ni Justin. Binasic lang ni Justin yung Moonlight, no, with solo. Oh, diba? Ganun kaangas, ganun kagaling ang Justin, no. So talaga yun, no, sinabi ko nga kanina, no, first time kong napanood na nag-solo si Justin ng performance. Although meron siyang mga solo na kanta, which is yung Surreal, Kaibigan, no. So bukod doon, solo performance niya dito nga po sa NCAA nga po, no. Anyway, yun, so mga madam sir, no, napaka-husay din talaga ng ating bunso dito nga po sa performance niya na to, no. So masasabi natin, bravo. Bravo yung mga maisan dyan. So mga madam sir, ito yun, no, yung pinaka solo performance ng ating bunso nga po. Okay, so once again, thank you so much sa nag-request nito. Shoutout sa'yo, hindi ko na matandaan kung sino. Basta, kung sino ka man, shoutout sa'yo. Thank you so much. Okay, so thank you so much once again mga madam sir sa panonood sa aking video upload na to. Magkita-kits full tayo sa mga sunod na upload. Once again, Dogshi TV. Peace and I'm out. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. God bless you all.